Okay, back with you once again, and I'm going to show you some floor plans I've done. Now, the first one I'm going to show you in this book here is a floor plan of a bedroom. Now you see the bed here, and it's a desk and a computer. You got the bookshelf, and you got the closet, and another drawer, and another drawer over here. So this is the first drawing I want to show you. Second one I'm going to show you is this conference room. You see the door there, and you got the floor plan of the table. You got chairs in the ends and in the back there. So this is the second drawing I'm showing you. Totally different from this one right over here. And finally, I'm going to show you pictures of some floor plan of some offices. You can see here, desk there, a chair there. And you got a desk there. All these little office spaces here. Right here. So, those are my drawings for today. Show you more in a future video.